Today I am going to perform second part of the previous practical. Okay, this session is related to the activity 7.1 in grade 11 syllabus, identification of acids and base by indicators. Okay, in this session I am going to test same blue and red litmus papers, then pH papers and phenopthalein indicator with soap solution, Jeevani solution and lime juice. Now I am going to try the color change of blue litmus, red litmus and pH paper, and also phenopthalein indicator with Jeevani solution. Okay, prepared Jeevani solution, and this is prepared soap solution. Okay, soap solution and prepared lime juice solution. Okay.
Lime juice?
Yes, lime juice solution. Okay. First, I am going to try the color change of each of these solution with red litmus paper. Okay, red litmus paper. First, this is Jeevani solution. Okay, dip and check whether color change is there. Color change is there or not?
No.
No color change. Okay, then we can try other side with this one. Okay, this is soap solution. Check with the color change. Can you see the color change?
Yeah.
What is that color?
Blue color.
Yes. Okay. Red litmus turn into blue color with soap solution.
Yeah.
Okay. Here with soap solution, red litmus turn into blue color. Okay. Try this red litmus paper with lime juice. Okay. Yes, you can try. Red litmus paper with lime juice. Can you see color change? Is there any color change?
No.
No
Only
color.
red.
Yes, only red. Okay. Red litmus paper. Do not change it color with lime juice solution. Okay, lime juice. I'm going to try this blue litmus paper with Jeevani solution. Let's try. Color change or no?
No.
Only
Blue.
blue color. Okay. It's Jeevani solution, blue litmus paper. Do not change it color. Soap solution with blue litmus paper. Color change or not?
No.
No color change. Soap solution, no color change with blue litmus paper.
Only blue.
Blue litmus paper with lime juice. Okay, Thishee, do you want to try lime juice?
Yeah.
Color change?
Yeah.
What color?
Red.
Blue litmus turn into
Red.
red color with lime juice. Okay. I'm going to try this Jeevani solution, then soap solution and lime water solution with pH papers. Okay, and compare with this pH scale. This is Jeevani solution. Try that. No color change, right? We can try other side with soap solution. Color change?
Yeah.
What color?
Green.
Yes, bluish green color, right? Bluish color. We can compare that color with this pH scale. Here. Okay. The pH value of this soap solution is around 11. Okay. That's mean more than 7. Okay, more than 7 means it is a basic solution. Okay, basic solution. Let's try this pH paper with lime juice. Try that. Yes, what is that color?
Only yellow.
Yes, yellowish color, right?
Yellow.
Oh, yes, we can compare that color with the pH scale here. This yellowish color. Okay, the pH value is around 5. Okay, 5 mean less than 7. Okay, less than 7 mean it is acidic solution. Okay, slightly acidic solution. Now I am going to try with this phenopthalein indicator. Jeevani solution, soap solution and lime juice solution with phenopthalein indicator. We are going to add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator into G1A solution. Add. Yes. Color change or not?
No.
No color change with G1A solution. Add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator into soap solution. Add. Yes. Can you see the color change?
Yeah.
It's turned into
Pink.
pink color, right? Yes. Here. Turn into pink color. Phenolphthalein indicator turn into pink color. Okay. The indicator is colorless. Okay. Colorless phenolphthalein indicator turn into pink color with soap solution because it is basic solution. Okay. It is basic solution. Now I am going to add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator into lime juice. Do you want to add?
Yeah.
Yes. Color change or no?
No.
No color change. With lime juice, no color change with phenolphthalein indicator. Because lime juice is acidic solution. Phenolphthalein indicator is colorless. Okay. Colorless with acidic medium. Acidic solutions. Okay. In acidic medium, phenolphthalein is colorless. But in basic medium, phenolphthalein, colorless phenolphthalein turn into pinkish color. Okay, today we did acid, base and salt related practicals with red litmus, blue litmus and pH papers, right? And also we use phenolphthalein indicator. You observe the color change of those pH papers and litmus papers as well as color change of phenolphthalein. In basic medium it turned into this beautiful pinkish color. Okay. You can meet it another experiment. Okay. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.